Hello traders, in this particular video we are going to be looking at a powerful trend indicator that helps traders avoid ranging markets and focus on strong high quality trends. Okay, to be precise, we are going to be looking at the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter. All right, the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter. So if you have ever entered a trade only to watch the price move sideways for hours, well, this tool will help you filter out bad market conditions and trade with more confidence. All right, so we're going to be adding the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter indicator right now to the chart. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. One of the biggest challenges that traders face is identifying whether the market is trending or ranging. And many traders get caught in choppy price action where the market has no clear direction. Ranging markets lead to false signals, right? And it also leads to stop hunts. Standard trend indicators often fail in sideways conditions, right? Traders lose valuable time and opportunities by trading in weak markets, right? Meanwhile, the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter is designed to fix this problem by accurately detecting strong trends and keeping you out of ranging conditions. Now, you might be wondering how the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter works. This indicator uses a Gaussian smoothing algorithm to filter out market noise while keeping track of trend momentum. So here's what makes it different. Yeah, it smooths out price fluctuations on eliminating unnecessary noise, highlights strong trends, helping traders stay in profitable moves longer. You can see it utilizes a multi-time frame approach. Right in this dashboard, it shows you the signals across different time frames. The 5 minutes is currently bearish, the 15 minutes is currently bullish, the 1 hour is currently bullish, the 4 hours is currently bearish, and the 1 day is currently bullish for this particular currency pair. All right, so the indicator gives you the signals across different time frames right there on the chart. All right. Right there on the chart, it gives you signals, okay, across different time frames. So it aids multi-time frame analysis, right? It makes top-down approach even easier, okay? So when the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter confirms a strong trend, for example, let's go to the daily time frame. When it confirms a strong trend, currently it says that the trend is bullish, right? And you can see it also gives precise signals, right? You can see here there was a precise sell signal, there was a precise buy signal here, a sell signal here, a buy signal now, okay? So when the indicator confirms a strong trend, traders can confidently look for entries in the trend's direction. And when it gives that precise entry point, if you get your confirmation, you can proceed to enter your trade, set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and you can target, resistance zones for your take profit. All right. Meanwhile, when the indicator shows weak or choppy movement, it signals that the market is not ideal for trading. So when there is a choppy market condition, you might just want to stay out of the trade, okay, to be on the safer side. All right. Remember that capital preservation is very, very important. So if you notice that the market is moving sideways, you can just decide to stay out instead of rushing. For example, imagine if you had sold here. You can see the sell signal came around here. Imagine if you had sold here. You sold, and that's when it started going up. And imagine if you had bought here, you bought, and it went sideways for a bit before a breakout happened. Supposing a breakout did not happen here, the market would have likely come down back. So when there is a ranging condition, just stay out of the market until you have a clear trend, all right, to be on the safer side. Now, how do you use this indicator? In several ways for your trading strategy. One is trading with the trend. when the indicator confirms an uptrend, right, you should be looking for buy opportunities. For example, currently on the daily time frame, the trend is bullish. You can see that in this dashboard. So it's looking for buy opportunities. For example, this particular candle that is forming right now seems to be a rejection candle. So if this candle closes with this long wick below, while the indicator line has turned green, because the indicator line turning green is also a bullish confirmation. So if this should close as a bullish candle with this rejection wick below, alongside this buy signal, with this telling us bullish and the line has turned to green, those are different, signals telling us to buy. You can even add other indicators for confirmation if you wish. All right. Meanwhile, you can also add your trend lines for extra confirmation, and you're going to see that the trend line is saying that this bearish, structure has been broken. You can see there was a break above and a retest. So this particular candle was the candle that retested this trend line. So if this candle should close in a bullish mode with this rejection wick remaining, then, well, it could be a good time to enter a buy trade. Okay. Now, in a downtrend, you should be focusing on sell setups. All right. You should be focusing on sell setups in a downtrend. For example, here, this was a downtrend. The indicator line changed to red. We had price, get rejected at the indicator line, and then, we had a precise sell signal. Right. So in the downtrend, you're just going to focus on sell setups. Once you get your confirmation, enter a sell, set a stop loss above the previous swing high, take profit can be at support zones, and then you're good to go, right? Like I already mentioned, try to stay away from ranging conditions, okay? To be on the safer side, just try to stay away from ranging conditions. If the filter shows weak or inconsistent movement, it's a sign to stay out of the market. And then you can combine this indicator with other tools, okay? Make sure that you use the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter alongside support and resistance levels, price action, and momentum indicators for even stronger trade confirmations. Okay, if you want to get strong confirmations, please combine this indicator with other technical analysis tools. All right. So the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter is quite an effective tool for traders looking to filter out noise, avoid choppy markets, and trade only strong trends. By identifying clear market direction, this indicator helps traders make better trading decisions. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more pro-level trading strategies. Thank you for watching, traders. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.